Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can change your password on Amazon Prime. So for that, you need to open up a web browser of your choice, and then on the web address bar type in amazonprime.com or primevideo.com. Now this is going to direct you to the official web page of Prime Video, and make sure that you're already logged into your account. After you're logged into your account, click on the profile icon located right on top. So as soon as you click on the profile icon, go ahead and tap on account settings, which is right in between. After that, it's going to take you to the account settings page. Over here, right on top, you can see your detail, and right in the corner there is an option to edit. So click on edit on Amazon. Now it's going to ask you to sign in. So for that, enter in the email address associated with your Prime Video account. Click on the continue button. For the confirmation as well, you'll be asked to type in the password. Now what you need to do is basically, in order to change your password, click on forgot password, which is right. Now it's going to send you the link, so click on the continue button over here. Now it's going to send you an OTP. So for that, you need to open up your email and then check for the OTP. So in my case, I've already received the OTP. Now type in the OTP. After that, click on the continue button, which is right at the bottom. Now it's going to ask you to type in a new password. For the confirmation, also retype in the password, and once you've done that, click on the save changes button, and that is how you've changed your password on Prime Video. Now you can log in into your account with their updated information, and that is basically how you can change your password on Prime Video account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.